Have you ever wondered how unique and intricate the human body is? Well, you're about to embark on a journey that will take you deeper into the marvels of our physical existence than you've ever been before. Our exploration starts with a fact so staggering that it's hard to wrap our minds around it. Think about the number 37.2 trillion. Yes, you heard it right, 37.2 trillion. That's a number so big, it's almost inconceivable. But that's the estimated number of cells that make up the human body. Each one of those cells is a microcosm of life, working tirelessly to keep us alive and well. From the cells in our skin that protect us from the outside world, to the cells in our heart that keep the rhythm of life going, they all add up to this mind-boggling number. Quite a crowd we're carrying around, isn't it? But did you know, not all cells in your body are human? That's right. In fact, our bodies are a bustling metropolis of microbial life. For every human cell that calls you home, there are 10 times that many bacteria living and thriving within you. These microscopic tenants contribute to everything from digestion to immunity. So, in a sense, you're more bacteria than you are human. Now let's delve even deeper into the microscopic world inside us. Imagine, if you will, unspooling all the DNA contained in your body. Sounds like a daunting task, doesn't it? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. If you could stretch out all that DNA, it would reach from the Earth to the Sun and back, not once, not twice, but 66 times. So in essence, we are a universe within ourselves. Are you ready for more? Let's dive right into the fourth fact about the fascinating human body. Did you know that in just 30 minutes, your body generates enough heat to boil a half gallon of water? That's right. Your body is like a miniature power plant, producing heat from the energy it consumes. Now let's switch gears and talk about the marvel that is the human brain. This complex organ, which enables us to think, dream, and experience the world, operates on a mere 10 watts of power. That's less than what a dim light bulb uses. All the intricate processes, the thoughts, emotions, and memories, all of it works on less power than it takes to dimly light a room. Isn't that astounding? The human body is a marvel of energy efficiency, from the heat it produces to the low power consumption of the brain. And you thought your computer was energy efficient. Think you've heard it all? Think again. Let's delve into our sixth fact. Every single day, your heart, that tireless workhorse in your chest, beats over 100,000 times. With every beat, it pumps life-giving blood, rich with oxygen, to every corner of your body. And it does this without you even having to think about it. Isn't that amazing? Now let's transition to our seventh fact. Have you ever marveled at the vibrant array of colors in a sunset or the subtle shades in a painting? Well, your eyes are doing some pretty remarkable work there. The human eye can distinguish between 10 million colors. That's right, 10 million. From the softest pastels to the most vivid neon, our eyes take it all in, allowing us to experience the world in all its colorful glory. Our bodies are truly a marvel, aren't they? Let's delve deeper into the artistry of the human body. Our next stop takes us to one of the hardest working organs in our system, the liver. Did you know that this diligent organ boasts over 500 functions? From detoxification to protein synthesis, the liver is a true multitasker, playing a pivotal role in keeping us healthy. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about a rather unexpected fact. The human body holds a surprising amount of iron. Believe it or not, if you were to extract all the iron from an average adult body, you'd have enough to form a 3-inch nail. This iron is essential for producing red blood cells, which transport oxygen around the body, keeping our cells alive and functioning. So, there you have it. Our bodies are not only intricate and complex organisms, but they're also resourceful. We are a walking, talking, living, breathing piece of art. Still with me? Here's more. This next fact may surprise you. Did you know that the human body is rather resilient? Even if we lose or have to remove a large portion of our internal organs, we can still continue to live. This is due to the amazing adaptability of our bodies. In fact, we can survive without our stomach, spleen, 75% of our liver, 80% of our intestines, 1 kidney, 1 lung, and virtually every organ from our pelvic and groin area. Now, for our 11th fact. Our noses are much more impressive than we give them credit for. The human nose can remember up to a staggering 50,000 different scents. That's right, 50,000. This is because the sense of smell is closely linked with memory, probably more so than any of our other senses. So remember to smell the roses, literally. Scene script. Are you ready for the home stretch? Let's dive right into the 12th fact. Here's something that might surprise you. Throughout your lifetime, your body will shed an impressive 40 pounds of skin. Yes, you heard it right, 40 pounds. This is because our skin cells are constantly regenerating, with the outer layer of skin cells sloughing off and being replaced by new ones. It's an ongoing natural process that keeps our skin fresh and healthy. So next time you dust your house, remember, some of that dust is actually you. Moving on to fact number 13. Did you know that the human body has enough fat to produce 7 bars of soap? It may sound a bit strange, but it's true. The average human body, in fact, is made up of about 20 to 25% fat. This fat can be rendered down into a substance called tallow, which is one of the primary ingredients in traditional soap making. So, in a rather unusual way, we are all walking soap factories. Finally, we arrive at fact number 14. The human tongue, that little muscular organ responsible for our sense of taste, is home to somewhere between 2,000 and 8,000 taste buds. These tiny sensory organs allow us to experience a wide array of flavors, from sweet and salty to sour and bitter. And it's not just on the surface of our tongues. Taste buds can also be found on the roof of our mouths and even on our throats. These facts remind us that the human body is a truly remarkable, complex, and somewhat bizarre machine. We are constantly shedding and regenerating skin, we carry around enough fat to make a batch of soap, and we have thousands of taste buds that allow us to enjoy the flavors of the world. We're more than meets the eye, aren't we? And for our final fact of the day, did you know that the human body is a powerhouse of strength and agility, hosting more than 600 muscles? That's right, from the muscles that let you blink, to those that allow you to sprint, every movement you make is a symphony of muscular coordination. Now let's take a moment to revisit some of the most mind-boggling facts we've uncovered today. We started with the astonishing reality that our bodies house a staggering 100 trillion cells, each one carrying out its specific functions to keep us alive and well. Then, we delved into the fascinating world of dreams, where we discovered that the average person will have over 100,000 dreams in their lifetime. We explored the world of genetics, learning that if we were to uncoil all the DNA in our cells, it could stretch from here to Pluto and back. Not once, not twice, but an astonishing 17 times. We marveled at the heart, the tireless engine of our bodies that beats over 2.5 billion times in an average lifetime. We learned about our senses, how our eyes can distinguish between 10 million different colors, and our noses can remember 50,000 scents. We discovered that our bodies are constantly renewing themselves, with our skin cells completely regenerating every 27 days. Each one of these facts is a testament to the wonder that is the human body, a complex and beautifully orchestrated machine that we often take for granted. So, next time you're going about your daily routine, remember the incredible world of cells, muscles, and senses that work tirelessly to make it all possible. And with that, we conclude our journey into the marvel that is the human body. Until next time, stay curious.